Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. The company Kitum is hiring a user support advocate, but their user support is answering online chats and emails. We're going to get all into it. Just know the links, if you're interested in to apply, are in the YouTube description box below, along with the company's Glassdoor page, in case you want to do your own research. I do try to spot check things before I share, but this is just a hobby for me. I do work a full-time job outside of these YouTube videos, so please make sure you're always doing your own research before you give any of your personal information to any of these companies. But Kitum is a company that's working on core curriculum for the K-12 marketplace. They are passionate about building transformative education technology. So they're looking for someone who really has a passion for helping users, education, and the ability to empathize with teachers. They're looking for somebody to assist and support the users by responding to customer inquiries through email and online chat via the Help Scout app. You'll have the ability to communicate with a diverse group of users. You'll maintain and grow the Kitum knowledge base and other helpful assets that enable users to help solve problems that they encounter, like the FAQs and things like that on the website, and you'll use the data that you collect to drive decision-making approach to solving company objectives. Now, best part about this, they say education field experience or experience in support role at an education company is preferred but not required. They also are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're just looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years of experience in some kind of customer support role, somebody who has experience with learning new technologies and can explain complex topics in a way that people will understand, someone who is a fast learner, can be empathetic, and has a passion for improving education. Now, of course, a location and experience is always going to play a role in a pay, but the pay range for this position is anywhere from $40,000 a year all the way up to $80,000 a year. If you do get an offer, I suggest definitely trying to negotiate that salary, because they do have it budgeted to pay up to $80,000 a year. Of course, they're going to offer the standard benefit package that includes health benefits, a paid time off, all of those things. Now, again, I have linked the company's Glassdoor page down below in the YouTube description box if you would like to do your own research on the company. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific you're looking for in the comments. And if you found this job lead or any job leads that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button, because that does give me direct feedback. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.